背表演了半天。Now adjust the block receiver head. Let this head. Let this head.
对吧
？Same with the pallet bottom head. And you can see this steel in same connection same with this block this side. That side also. This is stacker. How to install stacker? First, you should use a measure ruler. Measure this and this and these two wheels, the distance, and find the middle. After you find the middle, then after install this one, block receiver. You find the middle of the block machine and find this block receiver, the middle, and then these 2 points, it will be a line. And this line, start from this line, add, start from this line, add the half of the 2 wheels distance, then put this railway, and another side, same method, put this railway. And then you put the stacker here. Then the stacker location will more or less. And then you put a pallet and try. If the distance, it will maybe have 10 millimeter wrong. Just a smaller change. After you confirm the stacker location, then you use bolts and put in the cement, and then welding the bolts with the railway, and then you can confirm the size. 最简单的确定出砖平台和马达机轨道的位置的方法，就是说。振动平台这一边取终点，然后振动平台里边取终点，然后这样的话引出来一条线画在地上，然后出砖平台取两端取终点，然后这两端终点在这条线上，然后轨道计算出来两个马舵机两个轱辘中间的距离，然后取一半距离，然后从这个线的终点往左延伸一半距离，往右延伸一半距离，这是轨道位置。然后这样的话，轨道位置基本确定，放上马达机就可以了。And also notice the stacker location. You can see this is the hydraulic station. This is block receiver, this side, and the control box of stacker here, in this side, same side with the hydraulic station. You can see I will also do the mark in the stacker.不大行了，前面往前面下来了。 差一点。哎，这行了，这上来了。
好，这个我刚搞的呢。
几十万 OK， 把这几十万。几十万 not OK， 你看这几儿，几十万 not OK，not OK。
看到进去了。
这那个进去了，这个没进去。
你什么样好？你这挺快。
哎。